Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. It's my pleasure to introduce myself to you. My name is Russell De La Cruz, 29 years old. I live in Sapian, Capiz, Philippines. I have a live-in partner for almost 7 years. And I have one beautiful daughter for age 6 years old. My educational attainment is undergraduate of Bachelor of Science and Hotel Restaurant Management. My hobbies are cooking, singing, cleaning. My weight is 46 kilograms. My height is 151 centimeter. I work as a housemaid in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for almost 6 years in 3 employers. My first employer was on 2018 to 2020. I served 7 members in the family. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes. My second employer was on 2020 to 2022. I served 3 members in the family. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of children at the age of 4 years old, cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, cleaning. And also I have 3 employers was 2022 to 2024. Serve 1 members. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of eldest at the 83 years old, give a medicine, massage, preparing of meals, grocery, cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to help saving future for my kids. To my future employers, please hire me as your helper because I'm a loyal, trustworthy woman, hardworking. I promise I do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and looking forward as soon as possible.